Zweleka rejects the proposal, saying that she just wants them to be parents without the titles of a husband and wife. Lazarus comes to pay for damages and the two families are united. Hlathi says that if Zweleka's baby is his, he's not going to turn his back on his seat in Bewega Mabandla. Tumeka wants to go to college. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So after Lazarus proposed, Zweleka rejected the proposal, saying, I'm so sorry, Laz. Lazarus felt so embarrassed, saying, he was just feeling embarrassed. I said, no, don't look at it like that. The thing is, after that, I never thought that I would find love again. But you happened. You came and you came with more than love. You came with safety that I never thought that I could find in a man. But umchado, I don't want to get married, especially after my messy divorce with Hlathi. And umchado, like marriage never treated me well. And then Laz feels offended, saying, but I didn't go Hlathi, I'm not Hlathi. Yeah, I know. But it's just that I don't see marriage. Marriage is not on the cards for me. I just want us to be parents and on our own terms, without the titles of a husband and wife. And then, Lazarus says that's fine, I can accept that. And then, Tumeka says kuHlathi ukuthi she wants to go to uZweleka. Athi how does Zweleka want you there? It feels like you're forcing yourself on her. Athi yes, she does want me there. And then Tumeka lets on ukuthi uZweleka is 4 months pregnant. uHlathi is worried ukuthi how 4 months pregnant. Then he starts thinking, Kuti, does this mean this is my baby? And then Tumeka goes to Zweleka, says to Zweleka she's got a surprise. I think she wants to go to college. Remember, she wanted to study nursing, but it ended up not happening. So now she wants to study caregiving. And then because she's not willing to go to school for 3 years to get the nursing diploma, so she's just going to settle for 6 months and get the caregiving thing. She's going to work with nurses or in an orphanage or OH home. And then Magaba arrives with Ulimechen, Lucanio. They're there for damages kaZweleka, so the Nguganas are coming to pay damages for uZweleka. And then Ulikhanya is happy for uZweleka, saying ukuthi so uSibalwami uLaz. Ulikhanya is actually happy about Laz because she always felt ukuthi uHlathi was beneath uZweleka. So now she feels ukuthi you and Laz are on the same league, are on the same level. You're like Bonnie and Clyde. Ambuza, do you love him? Are you happy? Athi yes, ngiyamthanda with my whole heart. Athi okay, ngiyakuvuyela ke. And then they're busy preparing for the Nguganas because they're coming, they're busy peeling and whatnot and cooking. Atumaka Bayazi, abantu in the villages should have brought someone to help, but they're busy gossiping about you, saying that you moved on too quickly after your divorce. Hey, alugu Tumeka Tauchini, Bangenapi, because she knows she's part of the moving on naye noHlathi. And then the Nguganas arrive, bazokhipha inhlawulo. They're so respectful, saying that they apologize for what their son did, and also that they have to do the whole ritual or the whole ceremony kwaZweleka and not kwaBhikicha back at home. And then Ulimechen is just acting so weird. Ngathi is a clown. Lucky enough, Lukhanya is there. He got to call in order, saying ukuthi bazoba fine that bangene isibani sabo and all that. But it's fine, sizokhokha inkomo eyi-4 bavume ke bathi that's fine. And then abuza ke Ulimechen ukuthi do you want the child to carry your surnames, considering that they're not going to get married? And to Lazarus, yes we do, but okay, fine. Inhlawulo then is going to go up, the damages are going to go up, they're going to increase. And then they finish. Now they're sitting in the house celebrating, giving speeches. They're so happy, ululating and all that. And then, Lazarus is given a chance to speak. He apologized to Zweleka, saying that he's sorry that he judged her. The conversation they had when they had dinner, saying, she's been married before and all that. And that was sweet of him to actually honor, to actually account and apologize in front of everyone. And then Ulimechen also gives Lazarus a chance to speak. Athi okay nyana ithuba lakho, asho ke Lazarus uthi yazini ngizomthanda ngentempisa ngizomthanda uZweleka, ngim-honorishe and all that. It was so cute. It felt like they're giving it out their vows like they're getting married, even though they said they're not getting married. It was such a cute moment because both Lazarus and Tatake, they said they're happy now that the two families of Bikichas Naba Ngogana are united. And then Uhlati is going on about if umntana kaZoleka wakhe, because now he's learned that uZoleka is 4 months pregnant, and 5 months ago he was still married to uZoleka. So it means Zoleka cheated on her, or the child is his. So he says that if the child is his, Yena is not going to turn his back on his seat. And then Thulan is like, how Fundin, but you have moved on. Just let Zoleka be. Zoleka will never lie, say umntana kaLazarus while it's not. Or is it that you wish that you were the father of the baby? So actually that is what Hlati is wishing. And then ngapha Sydney, like, he's losing his mind. Uhlengiwe is even worried, saying I'm actually worried because now this obsession on I is going to drive into depression. As I am depressed, mina. Just that these people betrayed me. Abantu basekhusela uZoleka no Lazarus, they betrayed me, and they're going to get what's coming to them. I wonder what Sydney is planning. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.